So hi everyone, and I was going to office, so I thought before I'll record this video quickly because I couldn't get chance on Sunday. So the topic of this video, as you guys already know, it's let's become a great data analyst. So what essentially is a great data analyst is someone who can analyze data easily and can derive insights without having any hindrance at all. So I'll be telling you guys some steps towards it. So first step is to master the fundamentals. So the fundamentals are to start with Excel as well as SQL, structured query language. So these tools are very essential for data manipulation and various analysis that you do for their data. So you need to learn how to clean and transform that data efficiently using these tools. And these are the basic ones, like how you get data is from SQL and how you do basic cleanup is using Excel. So since this is the time you will spend mostly, because like 90% of our job is to clean the data, so it will come in really handy. And the second step is to learn a programming language that can be Python or R, because these are the most popular one. That is why I'm recommending you. So learning a programming language, because these will help you, handle larger data set. Because when you are doing for a smaller data set, then Excel and SQL is okay. But when you're dealing with a huge data set, then these programming language is what will give you an edge as well as a faster readability. And you can also do advanced analysis on it. ML parts you can also integrate towards it, as well as AI you can also integrate towards it. So it's a big edge when you do it. And then step 3 is to develop your statistical skills. So you'll have to understand statistics. You already will be knowing, but you'll have to know more. So understanding statistics will help you make more data-driven decisions as well as business decisions, because you will know how market works, how mathematics works. And it also provide various valuable insights, because statistics will give you understanding how data is, as how will you will understand that data. And then step 4 is to master data visualization tools such as Tableau or Power BI. You can choose one or you can master both, but I'll recommend choosing one. So presenting your findings that you have from your analysis is just as important as the analysis itself. So you make sure that it's presented clearly. So that is when these tools come in handy. And then the last step and the final step is to practice, practice, and practice. So what I mean by that, you have to work on real life projects. You have to contribute to open source, and then you have to join some various data competition. Unless you do it, you won't have real world exposure, and tutorials can only make you go from A to B, not A to Z. So you'll have to do some real world things. So make sure that you do that. And remember, the key to become a data and a great data analyst, per se, is to continuously learn and to stay constantly curious. The one who is always learning is the one who will go a long way. And you have to learn AI, how to integrate AI into your tools also. You can use ChatGPT for various automations, but do that. You'll have to use everything that is at your disposal to become a better data analyst. And once you become a better data analyst, you will unless become a great data analyst also. So with that being said, I'm late for office. I'll see you guys in the next one.